May as well have some fun.
Holy shit.
KVCB, yeah. KVCB, return. Okay, once again, 18 nautical miles. Okay, let's get the frequencies in. Weather, 13475.
Napa Tower, helicopter CHP 32, 8 miles to the north.
13475.
2,200, descending inbound.
And I'll just switch that already. And then the CTAF for Nuttree is going to be 12285.
2 miles north, CHP 32.
Perfect. Okay, now this is going to be, if we're departing 19er left, yes, it's really kind of going to be a left downwind departure to Nuttree. All right, here we go. Napa Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is holding short 19er left. Request a left downwind departure to Nuttree, 01 Whiskey.
Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, left downwind approved, runway 19er left, clear for takeoff.
19er left, clear for takeoff, left downwind departure is approved, 01 Whiskey. Okay, here. Reaching our mixture and full power. Everything is in the green. Speed is alive. 40, 50, 55, 60.
Oh, she wants to go.
There we go.
Whoa.
And a ground effect, and a ground effect, and a ground effect, and a ground effect. May as well have some fun.
Holy shit. That's new.
Well, we'll be doing a lot of flying today, man. You like that?
Holy shit, man. Yeah, that was, I just felt this lift off, and then I just realized that we were starting to level out a little bit. I was like, okay, hold up, what's going on here?
That was totally on purpose.
Oh my god. That was awesome. Alrighty.
You know, throw something in there, you know, with all the boredom. Just flying between airports.
Yeah, just like an emergency brake, right, if you're in a car?
Basically, yeah.
Make sure that you're awake.
Napa Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey. Can we make it a left crosswind departure just slightly further to the north here?
Skyhawk 01 Whiskey approved as requested.
Okay, thank you. 9501 Whiskey.
Go ahead, do whatever you want.
Exactly. Yeah, these hills are pretty high, man. We'll just sneak over here.
And Napa Tower, CHP 32, 2.5 miles northeast.
CHP 32 lane, ramp B, turn risk, wind 2006.
To the ramp, CHP 32.
Napa Tower, Cessna 60203, 7 miles to the west, inbound for touch and goes with Lima.
Cessna 60203, Napa Tower, make right traffic, runway 19er right, report midfield.
19er right traffic, will report midfield 60203.
Dew point 07 Celsius. Altimeter 3003. Remarks. Density altitude 800. Nuttree Airport, Vacaville, California. Automated weather observation 2343 Zulu. Wind 110 at 05.
Okay, I think we're not going to be able to see the airport because it's on the other side of this hill right here.
Okay.
Although, we're literally 14 nautical miles out already. Okay, we're not out of this class Delta yet. And Napa Tower, 01 Whiskey, frequency change.
Cessna 01 Whiskey, frequency change approved, yeah.
Thanks a lot. Have a great day. 01 Whiskey.
The CTOF again is 12285. And we're going to be runway 2. They're on the other side of the hill. There's home right there.
Entry traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is 10 to the southwest of the field. 2,300 will be maneuvering for a straight in, runway 02, entry.
Got something here about 800 feet above me, crossing from left to right. I'm down to 2,000. It feels like it was like yesterday that we landed over in Livermore, right? That's a lot of flying we did today, man. Well, we're not done yet. We still got to concentrate on Concord.
Entry traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is 6 to the southwest of the field, maneuvering straight in, runway 2, full stop, entry.
Entry traffic, November 732 Kilo Charlie is 15 to the north. We'll be entering a 45 for runway 2, entry. And I'll keep an eye out for the straight in.
Yeah, we're about 5.8 out.
That's a helicopter.
Yep.
Entry traffic, Skyhawk 353 Mike Echo. We are 7 miles northeast doing a practice VOR approach. We'll be circling to land left downwind, runway 02, entry.
Entry traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is 5 miles straight in, runway 2, full stop, entry.
You want a full stop, change out batteries one last time, and then go straight to Concord.
That's the plan.
Do it.
Get the snow in the mountains.
Entry traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, 3 mile final, runway 02, full stop, entry.
Entry traffic, Skyhawk 353 Mike Echo, 4 miles northeast, inbound for landing on runway 02. We'll be circling for a right downwind, runway 02, entry.
Entry traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, short final, runway 2, full stop, entry.
Entry traffic, Skyhawk 352 Mike Echo, 2 miles to the east, circling for landing on right downwind, runway 02, entry.
Entry traffic, 2 Kilo Charlie, 5 mile 45, runway 2, looking for the traffic, entry.
Very, very clean. Very clean.
Not bad. I'll take.
To traffic, Skyhawk 353 Mike Echo is on a right downwind.
Clear left, clear right.
Yep.
For runway 02, Sentry.
Not 2 traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is clear runways, clear all runways, not 3.